Chickenpox is caused by the varicella zoster virus, which causes rashes and flu-like symptoms in its host. Chickenpox can be passed through direct contact or when it is airborne, such as when someone sneezes. It enters the body through the mucous membrane, which is the first line of defense. It moves down the respiratory tract and then attaches to T cells, which are brought up to the surface of the skin and causes a rash, thus beginning the second line of defense. The virus gets eaten by a macrophage, also known as Pac-Man, and is then broken up slowly and is represented onto the surface of the cell. A T cell comes by and becomes activated, which can also be stimulated by B cells. Chickenpox can be killed using natural killer cells, which cause the pathogen to lyse upon contact. Welcome to the third line of defense, where lymphocytes are brought into the situation. We will be focusing more on T cells. Antibodies stimulate the T cells. The antibodies were produced by the B cells. There are two types of T cells, cytotoxic T and helper T. Cytotoxic T attacks pathogen with the help of CD8 and class 1 MHC. This helper T memorizes pathogen with help of CD4 and class 2 MHC. Memory cells remember pathogens, like the smallpox. T cell receptors recognize the pathogen, which activate the cytotoxic T cell and allows the pathogen to be killed. Helper T cells release cytokines that simulate B cells because it is recognized by the B cell receptors. And that's the chickenpox virus in action.